Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Roxana Iqbal from Peshawar Model School, Noshara campus. Dear students, as we are discussing our SVTs for the month of May, so today is my lecture number 3 regarding your SVT grade 4. In previous two lectures, I have discussed question number 1, 2 in my lecture number 1 and question number 3, 4 in my lecture number 2. Now in lecture number 3, we will discuss question number 5 and question number 6. First, question number 5. How is exercise important for us? Question is, how is exercise important for us? Its answer is on page number 15 in your book. Take out your page 15. Exercise. Along with a healthy diet, you also need to be physically active. Exercise makes you feel good. It improves your blood circulation and keep the bones and muscles strong. So eat right, drink plenty of water, be active and live a healthy life. Its answer is, how is exercise important for us? Exercise makes us feel good, improves our blood circulation, keeps our bones and muscles strong. Then question number 6. Question number 6 is, name the types of muscles and also describe them. Here is question number 6. Name the main types of muscles and also describe them. Its answer is on page number 6 and 7. There are 3 main types of muscles: smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles on page number 6. There are 3 types of muscles. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles make up the internal hollow organs of your body. For example, the smooth muscles in the stomach, intestine, and bladder are made up of smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are also called involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles perform their jobs without you even thinking about it, which perform their works automatically. So if they need your instructions, just imagine what would happen if you ate something and forget to instruct your stomach to digest it. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which work automatically without our will. हमारी मर्जी के बगैर जो काम करते हैं, जो परफॉर्म करते हैं. So these muscles are called as involuntary muscles. Smooth muscles are also involuntary muscles. They also perform their jobs automatically. The organs which are included in smooth muscles are stomach, intestine, and bladder. Means the digestive system is a type of a smooth muscles, जो कि अंदर से hollow होते हैं. The internal hollow organ of our body. Stomach जो है, it is a muscular organ, but it is hollow inside. अंदर से खाली होता है. Intestine is also a hollow organ. So they are made up of smooth muscles. They perform their jobs automatically. हमारी मर्जी के बगैर. Stomach जो है food digest करता है without our will. हमारी मर्जी के बगैर जो है वो food digest करता है. अगर ऐसा होता तो इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स जितने भी जॉब्स परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, अगर हमारी मर्ज़ी से होते और किसी दिन हम उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट करना भूल जाते तो सोचें फिर क्या होता. ठीक है, अगर इफ़ वी टेक अ बाइट एंड वी फॉरगेट टू डाइजेस्ट इट, एक दिन अगर हम खाना खाएं और उसको डाइजेस्ट करना ही भूल गए, सो व्हाट विल हैपन. ठीक है, इट वाज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ मसल्स आर smooth muscles because they perform their jobs automatically without our will. It is also a blessing of Allah. अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से बहुत बड़ी नेमत है कि these organs perform their jobs automatically. अगर हम पे होता तो we forget to digest the food or we forget to pump our blood, then what will happen. Imagine. Second is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are also involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles which make up the heart are the cardiac muscles, and cardiac muscles contract and relax to pump blood to all parts of our body. They are also involuntary muscles. Here on page number 7, the muscles which make up the heart are the cardiac muscles. Like the smooth muscles, they are involuntary muscles. The cardiac muscles are attached to each other instead of being attached to our bones. Cardiac muscles contract to pump blood to out of the heart and then relax to let the blood back in after it has circulated throughout the body. Here you can see the pictures, the diagrams of cardiac muscle. This is a diagram of a smooth muscle. So you can also draw this diagram with this question. Okay, so cardiac muscles which make up the heart are the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles contract and relax to pump blood to all parts of our body, and they are involuntary muscles. Then the third and the last one is the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. Tendons are the sheets of muscles which attach the muscles with bones. वो part, वो जगह, it is a thin sheets of muscle. एक लेयर होती है, एक sheets of muscles की एक लेयर होती है जो कि मसल्स को बोन के साथ अटैच करती है. स्केलेटल मसल्स आर वॉलंटरी मसल्स. इट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर विल. हम अपनी मर्जी से इन मसल्स को मूव कर सकते हैं. सो दे हेल्प्स टू मेक मूवमेंट पॉसिबल. व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ स्मूथ स्केलेटल मसल्स? इसकी वजह से हम मूवमेंट अपनी बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को मूव कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we move our hand, so the muscles which help us to move our hand are called as skeletal muscles. Here is it. Skeletal muscles are joined to the bones by tendons. Tendons are thin strands or sheets of tissues that attach a bone to muscles. Bone के साथ muscles जिस sheets के ज़रिए से attach होती है, that is called as tendons. Skeletal muscles are also called voluntary muscles. This means that they move when you want them to move. You can control what they do. They helps to make movement possible, and they work with our bones to give our body strength and stability. एक तो इसका ये फंक्शन है कि मूवमेंट को पॉसिबल करता है. हम अपनी मूवमेंट जो है वो we do it because of the skeletal muscles. और सेकेंड इसका फंक्शन क्या है? That with the help with the बोन्स के साथ मिलकर हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रेंथ देता है और स्टेबिलिटी देता है, हमारी बॉडी को सपोर्ट करता है. हियर इज़ अ डायग्राम ऑफ अ skeletal muscles. So students, here is the answer of question number 6. You will write it. You will also draw these diagrams with it. Now it's enough for today. In next lecture we will discuss our next questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.